So if you have been following my Luel.ai series, you realize that teaming.co is the perfect next step. So guys, this platform pays you to complete challenges using AI tools like ElevenLabs, VEED, and even AI music generators. So we guys are already familiar with these tools. Most of us we are familiar with ElevenLabs. So I thought it is best I share this platform with you. So guys, I'll simply walk you through the dashboard, how to join your first talent, and the best strategy to get your content approved for payment. So, guys, of course, I'll show you how to sign up. We're going to do this together. So, please, stick with me right to the end of this video. All right. So, let's say we have lots of them right there. We have challenges right there. We have different challenges right there, and now this is one of them right there. um this is one of them, and this is another. It's another, and so much more. As you can see, this one is no longer available. So guys, you simply want to be fast about it. All right, so now this right there, I'll simply click on this to actually get more information. As you can see right there, guys, this is simply amazing. We want us to go through this together. So you simply want to turn your selfie into video and upload on the social media and simply get paid. So this is what this is all about: from selfie to video, the fastest AI video generator. And this is the approval bonus, the spotlight performance right there, maximum payout. So for the performance right there, so if for 1,000 engagement on the Instagram, for the views, you're getting paid $2. For the likes right there, you're getting paid $10. For the share, for the comments, you're getting paid some amount of money right there. These are the instructions right there. So you want to create a before and after video showing the transformation of a selfie style image into a talking video made with this AI video model, VEED Fabric 1.0. So guys, now to actually do all this, you have all the instructions right there. So you simply want to follow everything. So these are the example video styles right there. So you want to click on it to actually go through it. All right. So now for the process, you want to create a selfie style image or select a pre-made character from this folder. So you want to click on this Google Drive folder to actually check this out. So you use this code to receive free AI credit. So guys, of course, you are not going to pay for this. All right, so this is totally free, and do not share this code externally. And open vid and go to generate asset right here. So you want to select text to video on the sidebar and select VEED Fabric 1.0, upload your photo and add a script that you want your character to say. Now you want to include emotion tags to make it sound more human, i.e. excited or nervous. And you want to create a video showcasing the input image and the final output generated with VEED Fabric 1.0. So these are the requirements right here. These are the requirements you want to go through everything, and this is what you need to avoid. No deepfakes. Do not share the exclusive Gimi promo code in the post, and don't reference any other AI video tools. All right, so you don't want to reference any other AI video tools in this video, and after that you want to click on that submit post. So now you can also click on another one if you're not interested in this, but guys, this is simply amazing. All right, so now to actually sign up, you want to click on sign up right there. So right here you can continue with your Gmail direct right there. So you can complete you can sign up with your Gmail, or if you want to continue with Google, so I simply continue with Google. All right, you want to click on continue. So you want to continue from here. You want to enter your username also. And after that, you want to click on continue. And your country, so you want to specify your country right there. You want to specify your country. So right here I'm from Nigeria, so I'll simply go with Nigeria. Click on continue. So you want to select your age range. All right, so you want to select your age range right there, and your gender. If you're female, you want to do that. Select your gender right there. All right, for the account type, now if you want to go with creator, or if you are a brand or project you want to choose this. So but I'll go with creator, and of course guys you want to choose as many as possible, at least 3. So right here, what sounds like you, big content types and interests, so we can match you with the right opportunities. So now you want to choose as much as possible right here. I think that's okay. 3. Now what are your interests? So I'm interested in finance, Web3, AI, business, so education, right? So you want to click on continue. And now what are your goals? My goals are I want to earn money, build an audience. All right, so I choose everything right there. So guys, please, if you are getting value from this video, please, I want you to like this video and also subscribe. All right, so you want to click on marketing communication or this option now, guys. So if you don't want to receive anything, you want to uncheck it. After that, guys, you can simply click on complete registration, and of course you are simply so that's how you can actually create your account. And guys, you can start earning on the Gimi.co if you actually follow the given instructions. Right, guys, this is what I have for you in this video. So please like this video and subscribe if you're here too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.